In this video, you'll learn how to use the Team Performance dashboard. Select the Team Performance tab and start by setting your desired filters. You can view your team performance by time period, day, week, month, quarter, or year, and refine your view by address, customer, owner, stage, status, workflow, or dates. Set a job created date and a comparison date to see percentage change in the KPI cards and compare performance across time periods. Click Reset to clear filters and view all lifetime jobs on your report. In the top panel, your at-a-glance metrics show your top closer, biggest job, most assigned jobs, and most qualified leads. The ranking table sorts your team by performance indicators, including jobs assigned and close rate percentage, so you can keep tabs on your most consistent closer and who is landing the biggest deals. The detailed job chart at the bottom of the page contains all jobs data and can be sorted and filtered as needed. Click Export Data to export the data in this chart.